Hello everyone, hope so you are doing well. Welcome back to another new video. In this video I'll show you how to share the Wi-Fi network QR code on Honor X7E. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and just watch our complete video.